We're trying to figure out the total price of 3 hot dogs and 2 sodas, and all hot dogs cost the same amount, and all the sodas do. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says the total price of 5 sodas. Well, I'm letting S equal the price of each soda and H be the price of each hot dog. So the total price of 5 soda is less than the total price of 2 hot dogs. Well, that doesn't help me find the price of 3 hot dogs and 2 sodas. So let's look at clue 2. So this one doesn't work. The total price of 9 hot dogs, so 9 hot dogs plus 6 sodas equals 21. Now look here. We're trying to find the total price of 3 hot dogs plus 2 soda. 3H plus 2S. So this problem, there's a common factor of 3. I'm going to divide everything by 3, and that will give me 3H plus 2 soda equals 7. So the cost of 3 hot dogs and 2 sodas is $7. Answer is B.